Hey Veronica, just spoke on with the phone with you. This is Scott Walker with Impact Link SEO. And I'm making this video just to kind of show you how you could generate more leads and business by improving your online presence, whether that your Google Ads, your SEO and ranking your website, or your Google business profile. So I love starting with your website. First off, I'm hoping that's you, so that would be awesome if I already kind of know you. But yeah, so I really like your website. It looks very clean, professional. But one thing that I would really recommend for you is to add more content. The reason I say that is because Google loves to see content. They want to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. And throughout that content, you want to be found for buyer intent keywords. And for me, what that means is a service and a location. So like auto glass service in Las Vegas or windshield replacement in Las Vegas. The other thing you could do is if you save, oh, that's a link. Never mind, let me find an image. This one. If you save the image correctly, the alternate text on here, instead of it saying auto glass diagram, that could have some buyer intent keywords because it's embedded behind the photo for you. So I use a tool called Eris to kind of show me your analytics and where you're setting. The DR and UR is the strength and trust that Google has for your website. These are on a scale of 100, and you want those continuously moving up. You're currently at 0 and 8 due to your referring pages and domains, and what those are backlinks. And if you don't know what a backlink is, it's when one website links to another website via clickable button or text. But not all websites are created equal, so you do want to stay relevant to your industry and also your location whenever possible. And it looks like you're being indexed for 200 words, but you're only getting about 26 people to your website each month. That's a little low, but at the same time, there's lots of ways you can increase that. So for starters, adding content with like these types of buyer intent keywords, windshield replacement Las Vegas, there's 300 searches a month on average. You're in the 14th position. You are moving up, but that's a great one to be on the first page of Google for because there's lots of searches. Glass repair Las Vegas, that could be like, residential and windows, so that might be a little vague, but at the same time, once again, you're still on the second page. Car window replacement, those are the ones that I highly recommend getting, windshield repair at Las Vegas. Those are the ones I highly recommend it being on the first page for. So if I do a quick search for windshield replacement Las Vegas, you get your Google ads right up top, and it looks like Safelite and the Best Auto Glass are the two that are actually running some. But down here, it does say windshield replacement Las Vegas, so that's perfect, and it does say where it is and what it is, so that's a plus. But as you can see up here, it just says windshield replacement, car window, windshield replacements. So when you're running Google ads, you really want to theme up your ad groups. So when people look up windshield replacement, they see an ad about windshield replacement. If they look up auto glass replacement, they want to see auto glass replacement instead. So that's one way to get a high click-through rate. And then when you're on your landing page, the experience, you should have a call to action, a form submit, and then like what you do, where you do it, and maybe a promotion if you run any, $35 off like these guys or something like that. But you want that on the very top so that as soon as people go to your landing page, they know to contact you right away. So those are two great things to do for your Google ads. And then right here is for the Google business profile. And it's okay that you're not on here right now, but there are lots of ways to get on here. The first one being to adding reviews, as many as possible. Make sure your name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet so you don't mislead Google. And then adding your name, address, and phone number into directories like Yellow Pages and Yelp is beneficial because Google's like a big popularity contest. And by giving out your information to as many people as possible, they'll start to trust you, and that's not just your local area, but in your surrounding areas as well. And then being in the Google Business Profile and up on ads is about 70% of traffic stops right there, and the rest goes down into ranking for your website. I usually don't like showing Safelite's website, so that's why I went to Windshield Replacement Las Vegas. And it looks like these guys are your top competitors for this particular buyer intent keyword. And as you can see, they don't have a lot of content on here either, but they probably have some better backlinks and things like that, so that's why you're ranking them. When you have better buyer intent keywords, those authoritative backlinks and citation, you're going to start to outrank your competitors, and this is just for your website. So I do like 3 different services here. So, windshield replacement, there's 300 searches. Windshield repair, 100 searches. There's about 800 searches just locally, just for Las Vegas each and every month. And so when you start to outrank your competitors, a percentage of these total volumes will start going to your website instead of your competitors. And then a percentage of the people going to your website will give you a call or form submit, and depending on your closing rate, will turn into a customer for you. So Veronica, I really hope that this was beneficial for you. After you've done watching this, if this is something you're interested in, please let me know, and we could set up a discovery call. And if not, I hope this is something that you could possibly implement for yourself. So have a good one.